Okay, you all know about me, so let me introduce myself. I am Ramanathan, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Engineering. So today we are going to see about IPO. Do you have any idea about what is IPO?
Initial public offerings.
Okay, right. So as Jenny said, it's initial public offerings. So this is not familiarized topic to all the students because IPO is one of the topic of stock market. So you all know about IPO, right? IPO is initial public offering. So what is it? It's all about is it's when the particular share comes to the stock market at the beginning or at the first, we will call it as an initial public offering. If, for example, if Rakesh wants to start a kind of new business, he wants to get into stock exchange like Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. What he wants to do is he wants to submit a kind of business proposal to National Stock Exchange as well as Bombay Stock Exchange, so that they will get both stock exchange as well as SEBI will get approved Rakesh business. After that, Rakesh can come as an IPO, initial public offering. First time shares is given to the general public for purchasing that particular stock or share. We can call it as an IPO, initial public offering. Initially we are giving shares to the general public, that we will call it as an IPO, right? So if Rakesh wants to start a business and he need around 10 crore of amount, he can fix the share price as well as how much number of shares that particular company has to hold. If he has a capital of 10 crore, he can fix a price of share price as an 10 rupees. So that number of shareholders will be 1 crore. 1 crore people will be investing 10 rupees each, so that he can able to get 10 crore as a market capital. After that, he can start his own business and he can run his own business. So that's called as IPO. Yes. So how we can invest in IPO? That's we want to know about it, right?
Yes, sir.
So before that, you want to know about what is Demat account, right? So like I know everyone is having savings account or current account in any of your banks, right? So likewise, there is called dematerialized account. Demat account, we will shortly call it as a Demat account. If we want to purchase any financial instruments, we have to hold that Demat account. So for stock market, mutual funds, commodity markets, or likewise, if you want to trade some financial instruments, you have to choose Demat account, or you want to open Demat account. So there is a lot of brokerages like Angel One, Grow. There is n number of brokerage apps are there. You can open your Demat account, as well as officially all financial institution also having their Demat account also, right? So you can open. After that, what you can do is there will be an IPO. There will be an option called IPO in the main menu. So that just you can click to it, so that you can view what are the current IPOs are there, what are the upcoming IPOs are also it will be there, how much capital they want to raise in stock market, as well as if you want to apply for that particular IPO, you can just click apply button and you can enter your name as well as your UPI ID. That's enough to apply. Once you apply, the particular there will be 3 days for IPO subscription. So if you take any IPOs, there will be 3 days for subscription. On those 3 days, you can apply for that particular IPO. Once the 3 days gets over, there will be a day called allotment day. On that particular allotment day, the concerned organization or the concerned promoter will select, or we can call it as an underwriter. Those people will allocate the shares to the person who is applied for it. So maybe 10 times or 20 times, maybe 100 times also people can subscribe their particular shares. But they will be allotting that particular shares to the concerned person. After that, that particular, if the share is allotted, automatically it will be demand. It will demand automatically. It will deduct the amount. Otherwise, the particular amount will come to our account itself. Because meanwhile, the particular amount will be blocked by the bank. Fine. So this is what all about IPO. So before applying for IPO, you want to know about how you want to invest in IPO. There is only one term you want to see. What is GMP price of that particular IPO? GMP, gross market price. If the gross market price is good, you can apply for that particular IPO. If you take last year, nearly more than hundreds of IPOs came to Indian stock market. If you take, there is nearly 80 to 90% of IPOs successfully they are in positive side. Like if you take small medium enterprises, or they came, main board IPOs also they came. So apart from everything, nearly 90 to 95% of IPOs succeeded in previous year 2024. So based on the GMP price, you can select the IPOs and you can invest. If you are going to invest in IPOs, you will be getting large number of shares. So within few years you can earn more. So if you are very strong about that particular shares fundamental and company's details, you can invest in that particular share in IPO itself, so that you can earn more. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.